illegal. Just walk.
Stop caring of what people think about you. That girl, that guy, whatever they think about you, is it gonna bring you happiness? Is it gonna bring you money? Is it gonna bring you wealthiness? Is it? No, bro. Focus on you, man. Like, there's some people that are gonna love you, there's some people that are gonna hate you. But the one thing that I have respect for you is you are yourself. And I fucks with that. You was yourself, bro. Like, just stop caring what people think about you. But like, you caring what people think about you, it's gonna do nothing but just bring you. It's gonna bring you negativity, because if he's thinking shit about you, he's talking shit about you, like this, oh, this nigga ain't shit, this nigga don't got no drip, this nigga goofy as fuck, this nigga all this, all that. Because you're paying attention to that, you're taking that energy, you're paying attention to that energy that haters are sending to you. This is why you feel shitty about yourself, bros. If you just ignore that energy and focus on yourself, you're not gonna care what people think about you. So stop caring what people think about you and focus on you, bro. Like, what's so hard about focus? You can't focus on yourself. Like,